Right, so I just got the key, you know, looking good, you know. So for the baby, it's looking good. It's all ready for landing tomorrow. So let's just get in there and I take the baby out, you know, for a little cruise. A little cruise, baby. Yeah, the car is all looking good. It's looking all yummy. Yeah. Oh my god, look at that. It's looking all clean. Oh wow, it smells good. It smells really good. Right, so what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm just going to get some diesel and then probably get home, got some drink somewhere, because you know it's a birthday week. You know, I'm just chilling. Yeah, the car look very clean. Everything look amazing. Look very spotless. Look,